quite like digging with a tiny trowel. It's quite relaxing.
A bit more than that, yeah? Play, yeah. Silty like.
Yeah, very fine.
Is that different to what it was?
Well, that's more like what that's probably like. So.
Right, okay.
A little bit more, yeah, probably. Very fine though. I mean, it's like see how it's like powder, you know. It's
Right.
very, very fine grain. Which I think you probably expect because obviously we're lower down. We're a bit there's probably waterlogged, so it's bound to be a bit wetter and siltier. Which is good in some ways because it'll be nice and easy to work with.
Yeah. It's not just a rock there.
A bit more than that, or is that alright?
Okay, a little bit.
A bit more.
That's why I'm standing here now.
Point then, Dan.
What is it? All right.
That's very few finds. One bit of pipe. In most fields, you expect to find a fair amount. I think it's always tough piping.
Oh, okay.
It does vary a huge amount. In some places, we don't find nothing very silty, that's the
Yeah, it looks like it's winning.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
what's
Well, it will, yeah. against you completely if you want getting on there. That's the problem, you're never quite sure what it is. It's a bit of something, so. I've been thinking of really shallow. It's going up the slope, back and forth. Well, apparently out there, it's yeah, that particular one
Does it?
Quite often it's found
Yeah.
there's a brilliant account in Carmel, a guy called James Stockdale wrote in Carmel. There's a brilliant account in there that and it says that the guy working the sand pit.
What's that? There's sort of a dip there.
It's smashed on the floor. In the 19th century, and he said the worker was allergic to it by the sound of the smash. So he was like, oh God, what have we done? You know, and went to see when he smashed on the floor.
No. Just wondered if that was a hollow from an urn, but I don't think it.
But you could just visualise it. It's the way it is.
Yeah. That was a rock that's being dragged along there.
Quite hard though, quite hard stuff here. That's the other thing about machine size. Sometimes it's small and struggle to move these things. I wouldn't want to dig like 3 meters down that.
It's hard enough work just holding my phone here.
Well, you have a go at shoveling some of that stuff and just see how tough it is.
Yeah, I will do. How many tools have we got down here?
At the minute, only one shovel, but it depends what we find.
Okay, I actually brought my own trowels, so I've got 2 trowels in my bag there. Okay, so we've got.
We get on.
Yeah.
I mean, the plan today is mainly just to get them open and see what's there really. More than
Yeah.
anything else. So whether we get them this morning or not, depends.
Is the idea to dig that so it's level with this, or just about the same depth
Well,
down?
the same sort of depth all the way up.
Right, okay.
Obviously, as the ground's going up, we try to keep it level. We'd have like a 2 metre deep hole.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering if we were.
It's getting sandier as it goes up. Actually, you can hear it.
Yeah. We can see the difference as well, because that's kind of shiny and that's not.
It's because that's basically like quite hard silt there. It's getting into sand and stuff.
Yeah.
But it sort of makes sense. Obviously, the lower down we are, we're into a wetter area. It's going to be
Yeah.
But again, it makes it a very odd place to put cremation in. It's too low and wet, actually.
Huh.
Maybe it was an ancestor that we didn't like very much, but to
That doesn't bode well for finding more stuff.
Nobody likes Auntie Betty, put her in that wet field. It's a really weird urn. When you see the photos of it, it's a really weird looking urn. It doesn't look.
It's not just like a sad story.
Well, but it looks fake somehow. You know, like someone made it. I'm very suspicious about the whole thing. No, it's the pottery. It's ceramic. Yeah. We've only got that one photograph.
It hasn't been.
Well, apparently, yeah.
That's
Is the urn itself?
Where it is now.
Right. When was it last seen?
I'm not sure when it was last seen. Photographs in the 30s, isn't it?
Right.
yeah. It's about 5-10 years ago when I
No, it's a bit of a weird one.
like the lost art.
But there's a weird thing in Ulverston where there's pottery found when they were building the park. And it's said to be broken pottery and all this stuff. So when you look at it, it's really weird stuff. And I strongly suspect someone faked some try and trick people. But it's,
See,
I don't know. It's
the main station I spotted that's from 1930s. And it's last time on page from 1930s.
well, you do one day. But
Yeah.
people would do silly things, wouldn't they, even then?
And
Yeah.
it's such a random place now.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. I think your colleague said that when Furness Abbey was being dug up, someone claimed to have found a layer of concrete.
Well, that's what they say, yeah. That's what they call it. But God knows what they mean.
Yeah.
That's what it says in the account. Well, they call it old concrete in one of the records.
Right.
So it's quite what they're referring to, don't they?
Could it be some?
1920s.
Right. So it could be the medieval quasi concrete. We don't know. Yeah.
They have concrete then, no?
No, I thought that someone said that they did have something, something resembling
Well, they
concrete.
have sort of lime-based things.
Yeah.
Like I say, it could potentially be quite. The trouble is, you get natural stuff called breccia, which is a natural collection of lime and gravel.
Right.
It's really hard, you know. So
Right,
that's
so-
what it is.
Fair
I
enough.
saw it in Dalton and did some work there.
Okay.
It's more than likely some 19th century work that was done that there's no record of.
Ah, right. So
Who
much.
knows?
Right. So it could be that. Right. So another question about Barrow site. Someone I know from the council said that when the Abbey Heights development was done fairly recently, I think we're talking in the last 5 years, something interesting was found there and they brought a load of school children in.
Oh yeah, well, that's the one near the hospital, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you do that or do you
No,
know?
we didn't do that one. No.
Do you know what it was?
I know they found quite a bit of flints.
Right.
I think they found a bit of a trackway, like a sunken trackway.
Yes, that's the bit.
Medieval.
Right.
I haven't ever seen the report, so I'm not sure for definite.
Okay, yeah, because she thought they found the Roman road, and I was like, well,
No,
if
no.
it was Roman, I'd think I'd know about
It
that.
was medieval.
But it was a medieval trackway. Okay, yeah,
But it's interesting when we look on the old maps that area because there's
Yeah.
loads of different tracks that used to come in there. It's a very odd area. We look
Yeah.
at maps.
yeah,
So yeah, I've never seen the report actually. I'm just really kind of trying to-
yeah. I'd like to see that report. Do you know who did the archaeology for
Well,
that?
they were called NAA, the company that did it at the time, but they
Right.
changed the names. So,
Okay, because the other people I could contact to ask are the developers.
well, yeah. No, I could probably get hold of a copy,
Okay,
find the right person.
yeah,
But,
yeah,
I
yeah.
thought
I'd
it was
like,
going to be published somewhere, but I haven't seen anything yet.
right.
Maybe it was waiting to
Yeah. Do you know which direction the medieval trackway was going in? Or do you have to see the report?
I'm not sure. I had a feeling it was maybe sort of north-south-ish, but I'm honestly not sure.
Right.
I only had a very vague bit of information.
Okay. Yeah. And she says that there was something in the local paper, but the local paper about 5 years ago.
Well, I don't know. There probably was, yeah. I don't remember. I think I just heard stuff in passing from somebody.
Yeah.
You tend to hear about these things and then
Yeah.
chase it up. You don't get any more information.
Yeah. suppose the Evening Mail might be worth contacting in case they've got. They can
Like I
easily
say, you
find
should
it.
be able to get the report from the Historic Environment Record. Really.
Yeah.
Is that like-
Yeah, I looked on the Historic Environment Record, but I was looking on my phone, and the Cumbria one is terrible on a phone.
Well, it wouldn't be on the website either. You could actually ask them.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah. Well, because the thing is, it's got lots of dots for finds around that area,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
the interface is terrible on a phone, and I couldn't get any more.
It's not good on the computer. It needs a bit of upgrading.
Yeah. The Derbyshire one is way better.
Yeah, well, they're all very varying, aren't they? It's
Yeah.
Very good.
The Derbyshire one is a lot better than the Cumbria one.
Still better than the last apartment, because actually they've got a decent map, but it's got potato information.
Oh. It's looking a bit less rocky now.
Yeah, well, it's interesting, isn't it? It's changing a bit. I might get
Yeah.
to go over the whole thing again, but
Yeah.
you can hear how it's turning to more gravelly stuff. as it
Yeah.
goes that slope. So basically, we'll have a little pile of sort of glacial material at this point
Right.
that he's coming onto now.
Back to rocks.
Rocky line there. Right.
Yeah. Is that about where the anomaly was on the geophys?
Well, it should be further up.
Oh.
That modern line
Yeah.
is about, could be about down here somewhere.
Okay.
Maybe not. The other line is up there somewhere.
I don't know if it's just the way he's dug it, but there seems to be quite a sudden line there between the soil styles.
Yeah. Well, it's one of probably using machine you didn't cut these lines. It look like something, but
Yeah.
we'll see. We'll work it out.
more rocks.
Again, you'd expect it to be more stony as you get to this higher ground, because that's going to be where stuff's been deposited, and the lower ground will be where stuff's collected later on.
Yeah.
You have to imagine this whole area would have just been one mass of rocks, gravel and clay all the time, and then over time it's kind of settled down and the silty bits have gone down there.
Is he having rock trouble again? Just a flat rock. Yeah.
Frustrating.
Yeah.
That didn't have look like a bit of prehistoric pottery.
Yeah. Yeah, you've got a good eye for this. I didn't notice it.
Well, that one jumped out, that one.
Yeah. Right. Going further back.
One really nice flat rock that looks a hell of a lot like a bit of prehistoric pottery. Well, the trouble with prehistoric pottery is if it's not in situ, if it was in this soil and it had been ploughed, it would just be absolutely destroyed. It's so soft. Which is notorious for being like digestive biscuits.
Alright.
Once it gets in there, a bit wet, it's just really very easy. It can be put together.
Didn't realise prehistoric pottery was so lame. Are we going to check through the spoil heaps?
No, not yet. But
Not yet.
might be worth doing.
So yes, but not yet.
Well, if we don't find anything offensive, we'll down and play with that musket ball.
Did you find one bit of pottery?
Well, yeah, but not very old.
How old do you think it is?
Well, 19th century probably again.
Yeah.
It is kind of like looking for a needle in a haystack.
Yeah.
So there's definitely a needle somewhere in that haystack, but you don't
Yeah.
really believe it.
What's the newest something can be in Countess archaeology?
Well, whatever you like, really. I mean, plenty of people look at Second World War stuff. Obviously.
Yeah.
That's fairly new, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
People, industrial sites would be quite late. And I've looked at industrial sites that burnt down in the 1970s, so they were still standing there.
Okay.
Recorded a 1930s swimming pool, that was. So.
very good. Like our
I mean, you get some sense of how hard cremations are to see.
Yeah.
The ones we found in Alex Way,
Yeah.
one of them was literally the base of the pot like that big,
Yeah.
that far below the surface. Just spot how we spotted it, I have no idea. We literally flicked through the soil. The other ones were like this sort of size, so that's fine.
Yeah.
Literally the base, and that was all left. So it was like a saucer-sized piece of pottery. I mean, one machine's just gone.
What's that there? That's something fragile. Well, it's kind of fallen to bits, yeah.
Yeah, it's just one of these weird stones, but a bit charcoaly in there. I mean, the line of that line
Yeah.
is basically about 1 million miles.
Well, it does look like some black bits there.
It's slightly dark.
Yeah.
The trouble is, the geophysics can show things up and you think they're going to be really obvious, and then you look at them and they're not very obvious at all.
Yeah.
Quite often they don't even show up.
And there's some orange bits. There's something round there, but it might just... Oh no, it's probably just a bit of rock. There. Yeah. Just a bit of earth.